Let's head up to the McFarland Clinic and talk to our friend Dr. Buck. Dr. Buck, I haven't got to talk to you all year. I think Warmy's been on with me every single time. How are you doing, my friend?
I'm doing good. Yourself?
No complaints here.
I thought we might mention a few words about a shoulder injury tonight since we got some cyclones with these. So
what's going on?
I can't speak to who is injured, but we have a couple people with AC joint injuries. That's the small joint on top of the shoulder between the collarbone and the rest of the shoulder. And, of course, shoulder pads are supposed to protect the athlete from that type of injury, but in football, if you land on the tip of the shoulder hard enough or get a strong enough blow, then you can injure that. And once injured, it's kind of a nuisance injury for the rest of the season. So it hampers people, and if it's a linebacker or somebody, he may not want to go out and really tackle somebody because that shoulder's going to hurt. But anyway, it's just one of a series of injuries that tends to collect, during the season on our boys. But fortunately, we've got several, but they will be playing, and they'll be playing just fine. So, but it's just another one of the things what happens as the season goes on.
Is it just rest and recovery for those types of injuries, or is there anything structurally you can do to heal up quicker?
Well, unfortunately, during the season, there's not much rest that you can have because most of these usually occur on our regular players. So they get about some healing 1 week, and then of course they're out there playing, and then so it kind of carries on. But most of these heal up fine in the off season, but they can be a big headache during. But there's some. We make special bubble pads that go over the AC joint. We can elevate the shoulder pads, what are called spider pads, to try to kind of keep more stress from getting to that area. But it's kind of a headache for the trainers this time of year.
Yeah, and it just kind of seems like this is the time of year where you got all kinds of stuff going on, right? I mean, even on like your most healthy year, Doc, this is the time of year where it starts to get a little more stressful, right?
Right. This is the time when you'd love to have the bye week instead of week 2, because that's the one time you could let the boys get a little bit of healing in. But every game is important, so the key players have got to stay out there. So it's just we just start collecting a whole slew of these as the season goes on.
Doc, we appreciate you as always. You heading to Lubbock? You like your road trips to Lubbock?
I've got some good friends down there, so I like it. I've been to the Button Holly Museum 4 times, so I'm not going to go there again. But I'll have fun down there.
All right, buddy. Thank you very mumuch for your time. We appreciate it as always.
All right. Nice talking to you. Bye.
Thanks, Dr. Buck.
Dr. Buck from the McFarland Clinic up there in AMC.